In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this GUI that shows the player's altitude, so stay until the end of the video to find out. And by the way, click the first link in the description for quality assets. So this is actually pretty easy to make. First we need to make a leader stats that will show the player's altitude. And then there you can see all the player's height. And we will use the run service so we can track the player's movement. Okay, so now to make the leader stats, I first made a function entry. So here, if the player gets added, it connects to this function and we take the player as parameter. And then we make local leader stats equals instance.new, and it will be a folder. Then write comma and write player. So this folder's parent will be the player. And then we just need to rename it. Leader stats.name equals leader stats. And it needs to be exactly like this for it to show on the screen. And now we need the height, and I will be using int value for this. You could probably be using string value or number value too. And I will rename it to altitude. Oh, and actually we don't need to write parent, we can just do the same thing as here, just put comma and then leader stats. Okay, and now the run service part. So this function here just takes care of the head position, so it will constantly watch the head's position Y level, and then it will put the Y level of the player's head position to the height value. Okay, so we are done with the leader stat script. I will just rename it. And now we need to make a screen GUI. I will also rename it and add a text label. You can also add an image if you want, which I will do here, and then you can customize your GUI however you want. And now we link the text, and we will add a local script inside of this. And now we will get the text, which is script.parent, and we'll do task.wait so it can load properly. And we'll just add a while loop so the text can change each second. Here we will find the leader stats we made, and then get the altitude and get its value, and we put dot dot, and then I'll put m, so this is for meters. Obviously the Roblox measurement isn't in meters but in these studs, and one character is around 6 to 8 studs. And then we will just do a task.wait so it doesn't crash the game. And as you can see, it writes my altitude, and I can also see it inside of the leader stats. So if you have many players and you want to track their altitudes, it will just show in the leader stats. But this meters obviously isn't really accurate. So what we will do is we will divide it by 2, I think. I think that would be good. So since the character's head is only 4 meters now, but realistically this would be like 2 meters in real life. So let's just do that quickly. Okay, so I made a quick check, and turns out this average rig is actually 5 studs long. So I did the math, and we just need to multiply this number inside the leader stat script by 0.35, and this should now give us the realistic representation of length. Okay, and as you can see, this is around 2 meters high, and then if we go up here, it goes up by 1 meter, and then 1 more, and so on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and also join the Discord down below. Thanks for watching.